Hi friends, let me show you this new 30-gallon deck box that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a box that you can use indoors or outdoors. It's waterproof and sunproof, okay? So if you want to store something and keep it clean, well, this unit is perfect for you. Let's put it together so you can see it. All the parts are identified by a letter, so that makes it easier to put it together. It's a nice brown color. And that's it. You have a perfect storage box for up to 30 gallons, and you can even put any lock here if you want, okay? There's a hole to install a lock over there, okay? So it's a nice color. It has handles for carrying it in the side, and it's perfectly assembled so water won't get in, okay? So, well, if you need a box like this to put something that you want to protect from sun, from the dust, from water, indoors or outdoors, this box is a perfect option for you. Thank you.